Hi, dear children. Welcome to the third part of the revision CBSE Science Class 10th Chemical Reactions and Equations, first chapter of Chemistry. Make sure that you have watched the part 1 and part 2 of the revision of first chapter. Now, let's start today's revision. First question: which of the following is correct for a physical change? 1. Only physical properties are changed. Properties change. Yes, correct. Large amount of heat is absorbed or evolved. That is not always correct. Only less amount of heat is needed, because in many of the physical change there is no need of heat absorbed or evolved. For example, tearing of paper, then expanding balloon. These kind of changes does not need any heat energy. So no or very less amount of heat energy is needed. So which statement is correct? Only first statement is correct. So first, the option A is the answer. Okay. Now next question. Which of the following are combination reaction? So what is a combination reaction? Two or more reactants combines to form a single product. Now tell me the first one. Is this a combination reaction? No. A single product, two reactants. That is actually decomposition. What about the second one? MgO plus H2O gives MgOH twice. Yes, here it satisfies. Here, two reactants, single product. And third one, Al plus O2 gives Al2O3. Yes, third one also combination reaction. And what about the fourth one? Zinc is reacted with ferrous sulfate, gives zinc sulfate and iron. Is that a combination reaction? No, that is displacement reaction. So what is the answer? Option option yes, C. Option 2 and 3. Okay. Now, next question. Which of the following statement is correct regarding to physical changes? See, physical changes are temporary changes. No new products are formed. Only physical properties are changing. So, considering the facts of physical change, try to answer this question. In physical change, new substance is formed. Is that a correct one? No, it's a wrong one. In physical change, no new substance is formed. That is correct. In physical change, chemical composition of substances change. No, that is incorrect. None of these. The best answer is B. In physical change, no new substance is formed. Okay. Now next question. Which one reaction shows the property of double displacement reaction? Okay. CuSO4 plus Zn gives ZnSO4 plus Cu. Cu plus AgNO3 gives CuNO3 twice plus Ag. See, A and B both are displacement reaction, not double displacement reaction. And what about C? NaOH plus HCl gives NaCl plus H2O. That is a double displacement reaction, where sodium ion, hydroxide ion, hydrogen ion, chloride ion, they exchange their ions to form sodium chloride and H2O. So the answer is option C. Next one. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through blue color solution of copper sulfate, the color of the solution fades and black precipitate is formed. One question we already discussed based on this. When hydrogen sulfide is reacted with copper sulfate, we will get Copper sulfide and hydrogen sulfate, that is sulfuric acid. What type of reaction mentioned? Name the type of reaction mentioned above. This is a double displacement reaction and also precipitation reaction because precipitate is formed here. Why does the color of the solution fade away? See, in the reaction it was copper sulfate. Color of copper sulfate is blue. But when it combines with H2S, it becomes copper sulfide and sulfuric acid. So sulfuric acid is a colorless solution. That's why the color of the solution changes, fade away. Then write the chemical name of the black precipitate formed. The black color precipitate formed is copper sulfide. Copper sulfide. Okay. Next one. Again the same picture which was mentioned in the previous video also. Heating of ferrous sulfate crystal and checking the smell, wafting gas gently towards the nose. It's a thermal decomposition of ferrous sulfate crystal. It is actually a 4-mark question which comes in section E. After seeing the image, answer the following question. What was the color of the crystal before heating and after heating? Tell me. Before heating, it was ferrous sulfate, which is green in color. And what is the color after heating? That is ferric oxide, reddish brown in color. Write the chemical equation for the reaction. The equation which we know already, that is FeSO4. And heating gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Which pungent smelling gas is evolved during the reaction? What is the nature of this reaction? Sulfur dioxide is the irritating smell, pungent smelling gas evolved. And what is the nature of this gas? See, sulfur is a non-metal. Oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. So oxides of sulfur, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, they are acidic in nature. That is the nature of the gas. Write the name of the solid substance formed. That is an option question. Choice given in the last part of this question. The brown color or the name the solid substance formed. So during the reaction, ferrous sulfate is converted to ferric oxide. So that is the solid formed. See, this is the answer. Ferric oxide. Before heating it's pale green color, after heating reddish brown. This is the equation. FeSO4 on heating it gives Fe2O3 plus SO2 plus SO3. Pungent smelling gas is sulfur dioxide SO2. It is a non-metallic oxide. We learned that metal oxides are basic in nature and oxides of non-metals are acidic in nature. Hence it is acidic in nature. Or the question is ferric oxide or iron 3 oxide, and the formula is Fe2O3. Next one, precipitation reactions produce insoluble salt. Precipitation reactions produce insoluble salt. Yes, that is correct. Precipitation reaction is a double decomposition reaction. See, that statement is wrong. Precipitation reaction is a double displacement reaction. So the answer is option C. Assertion is true, but reason is false. A solution of substance X is used for whitewashing. See, for whitewashing, a solution of a substance is used. The solution which is used for whitewashing is calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide is actually the solution of calcium oxide in water. So the answer is option A. Calcium oxide solution of substance X is used for whitewashing is calcium oxide. A solution X is used for whitewashing, then it is calcium hydroxide. Of substance X is answer is calcium oxide CaO. Next one. When hydrogen sulfide gas is passed through blue solution of copper sulfate, a black precipitate of copper sulfide is obtained. I think this question is coming for 3 or 4 times. I think the same question asking in different ways. Then and the sulfuric acids are formed remains in the solution. The reaction is an example of see this option is given as option D is actually given as double decomposition reaction. Instead of that I am making it as double displacement reaction. Okay, so the answer will be double displacement reaction, not decomposition. It is double displacement reaction. Okay, maybe some printing error happened. Okay, then next one. Which of the following are exothermic reaction? Exothermic process. Reaction of water with quicklime. Yes, see this equation. Quicklime, reaction of quicklime with the water becomes Laker lime. This is actually a exothermic reaction. Is an exothermic reaction where a large amount of heat energy is released. Now, dilution of an acid. That is also correct. Dilution of an acid is also exothermic reaction. What about evaporation of water? See, while evaporating, water is absorbing energy from the surrounding to become water vapor, where heat is not released. Heat is absorbed. So, evaporation of water is not the answer. Sublimation of camphor crystals. Camphor is also so from solid state it turns to gaseous state by absorbing heat energy from the surrounding. So that is also endothermic. So what is the answer? Option 1 and 2, that is option A. A is correct. Exothermic process. Dilution of an acid and reaction of water with quicklime. Okay. Thank you, children. I hope this video is clear to you all. Thank you. All the best for your exam.